Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 9 End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Business Plan Sheet. Use PMT, E11, FV, F5, NCAR, G8, and PV, H4, functions for loan calculations. Step 2. Loan Details Sheet. Use Comprink, B9, for principal and Cumulent, B10, for interest. Fill across for years 2 to 5. Step 3. Buy or Lease Sheet. Use DB, E4, to calculate depreciation. Fill down for months 2 to 36. Step 4. Depreciation Sheet. Use SLN, B9, for straight line and DB, B15, for declining balance depreciation. Fill across for years 2 to 5. Step 5. Profit and Loss Sheet. Project revenue using linear trend. Calculate payroll, growth extrapolation, and rent, growth trend interpolation. Step 6. Save and submit. Save changes and submit via the SAM website. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.